Take a look at this old fence that we placed a primer coat on. And what I wanted to illustrate is the fact that when you have an old fence such as this, you can see it's 30, 40-year-old fence that's never been really treated, primed, painted, and it's weathered. It's weathered to a point where you might want to think about replacing it. Now you have a couple of options. One option is to sand it down and to strip any type of paint. This doesn't have paint, so this is bare wood. So basically we would sand it down as much as possible and then apply a stain to it, any colored stain to it. The stain itself will soak into the wood, and that's the difference between paint and stain. Stain soaks into the grain of the wood, and then we use a polyurethane varnish and we apply a coat above it. That pretty much gives it that sealant coat. Okay, adds about 10 to 15% more, a wear and tear application. Now, what we went ahead and did was we took that old wood and we sanded it down just a bit, and then we applied one coat of primer. And as you can tell, that old wood is bleeding through that old color. It doesn't look finished. It's not consistent, and we will have to apply another 2 to 3 coats to make it look a little bit more a finished product. Again, this is older wood. It's not going to look great, but we will bring it up to maybe 60 to 70%. So again, this kind of gives you an indication, and we will show you the final product once we apply a couple more coats. Thanks.